Hello, my name is Thomas Gaona, and I will be sharing my district profile here. My district that I researched is the Arvin Union School District. I currently work here as a seventh grade teacher, and let's begin. Where is Arvin? Well, Arvin is located about 18 miles southeast of Bakersfield. Population as of 2009 is 16,675 people, with a student population of about 3,200. There are four schools in our district, three elementary from K through 6, and one middle school. Our district also has a preschool and a family resource center. The model of the Arvin Union School District is every child learning every day, no matter what it takes. Going that extra step to do whatever it takes to get every child in the classroom and learn. The demographics, as you can see from our bar graph here, the vast majority are Hispanics or Latino. Down here at the bottom, we have a small amount of white population, and up here at the top, we have a small amount of Asian population as well. But the grand majority here is Hispanic. For language acquisition, again, the majority are English learners. These are the students who are English learners. The brown down here represent the fluent English proficient that our district has. In this graph, it shows that in this bottom part that 2013, 2014 was the year that our district did not participate in free lunch program, in the free lunch program. Every year, we have been fortunate in that our students have they all qualify to receive free lunch. So yeah. But in 2013, 2014, they was the only year where there weren't enough students who qualified. Class size, average class size is about 25 students. In my classroom, I have about 30, and compared to the state, about the same. And in our county, average is about 24. Programs that our school district has, we have a preschool. We have English language development class for all students, transitional kinder to 8th grade. Every classroom participates and does some form of ELD, whether it's designated or integrated. Another program is that our district is a Title III school, which is meant to benefit limited English proficient students and immigrant that come from immigrant families. We have special education program that assists our mild, moderate, and severe students. We have a dual language program, English and Spanish, that range from K through 8th grade. We have a migrant education program. The goal is to help students close that achievement gap from having moved from place to place and losing out on some education because of the constant moving. So another program that we have is the Arvin Advantage, which is the after-school program, and that's a good program. They have their own curriculum, as well as they help students with their homework, and I believe they even have physical activities that go on, physical education type program. Our district is very big on student wellness. It's a program that our district is very big on, and it participates in a lot of physical activity and nutrition. There's breakfast in the classrooms, recess, fruit snacks are provided daily in all the elementary schools. There are free lunches for everyone, and every elementary school has a PE teacher. Expenditures, I just wanted to go over here. I apologize for the small print. This shows the certificated personnel salaries, classified personnel salaries, employee benefits, books and supplies, other expenditures and whatnot. It's got two different categories here, unrestricted and restricted. Restricted means that the district has to use this money in this column for specific programs and items. The unrestricted is the general fund, things that the district has a little bit more freedom to spend on. And as you can see, the grand total here is $31,990,000. The revenue that the school district gets, about the same thing. The total here, $31,500,000. That's how much it gets every year from the federal and other state revenue. As for the LCAP goals, I was researching through the Arvin Union School District site, and the LCAP description has 190 something pages of information that outlines how these 6 goals are to be maintained, implemented. And but I'll just share each goal with you just so you can have a general idea of what each one kind of does. So goal 1 is to attain increasingly higher levels of achievement on the state standards. Goal 2 is to provide a safe, nurturing environment with high-quality facilities for students, staff, parents, and the community. Goal 3 is to increase student attendance rates and engagement in school. Goal 4, the Arvin Union School District will provide a safe and nurturing environment with expanded opportunities and support services, promoting improved attendance and active and positive engagement in school. Goal 5, to provide a wide variety of opportunities for parents to engage with the district and for school sites to promote meaningful family involvement in their students' education. So communication with parents in the school district to help the students progress in school. And goal 6 is to reduce truancy along with manageable and chronic absences through systematic implementation of processes and procedures. What this one is about is maintaining that line of communication open between parents and the school district to keep students in school as many days as possible to increase their learning opportunities. For the CASP Smarter Balance, in this table here, again I apologize for the small print, but it shows each grade, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and up here. It shows the number of students enrolled in each grade for the year 2016. And what I'd like to focus on is on what percentage of these students have met, exceeded, nearly met, not met the standards. Down here it says standards exceeded 2%, standards met 18%, Standards nearly met, 21%, and standards not met is about 59%. And right across the board here, you can see that um, it maintains 59, 50, 61 percent that of the students did not meet the standards. Same thing goes for the language arts um, CASP test here. You can see down here, standards not met, 61%, 61, 55. Very little amount exceeded standards, 2%, 8%, 6%. Challenges that our district has is that we have a very high percent of English learners, and it's hard to get the exceeding standards when we have such a high percent, as you have seen in the bar graphs, of English learners. Also, there's a low socioeconomic status, low income plays a big role here. The majority of our population works in the fields, so that takes its toll on our students as well. And our low test scores are a big challenge. Getting those, as you saw, over 50% did not meet the standards in either math nor language. However, there are strengths. We have technology in our classroom. Almost every single classroom has a smart board. There are rolling labs for each classroom. The Family Resource Center, Saturday School, CASP boot camp on Saturdays to prepare students for the CASP. Very good preparation. There's the Winter Academy, is a school in the winter, and the 95% of our teachers are highly qualified, they're credentialed, and professional. Some recommendations, well, parent workshops. The district has parent workshops to help with their literacy in English, learning English, and there are also programs that, or the district also provides professional development for the teachers to support language learners. A lot of ELD trainings that go on. Here are my sources that I use for my presentation. And thank you very much.